How's it going, YouTubers? She's been sitting out here since pre-COVID, so what, probably close to a year and a half, 2 years. We're gonna give her a run and try to see if we can get her started. Hopefully she's not locked up or anything. I don't know. We'll see what we got going. I know I got to get a battery put in it. As you can tell by the weed growth around it, it's been a while. I know the old battery in here is deader than a doornail. Go ahead and yank this sucker out. Set her to the ground. I hate these cables. I'm going to go ahead and cut these off and put some ends on it. I've got a different type of battery I'm going to try. So let's get over here and... Are we recording for sure? Yeah, we're recording. I'm going to do a... I don't know what they call them, AGS, a silk battery. Yeah, let's start with this stuff. I'm going to put a couple of these battery terminal ends on this cable. I'm so sick of these crappy cables. You can see one of them just about rotted away, so we're not losing much here cutting it off, and I can always put some cheap bolt-ons like it's got on it. Let me go ahead and see if I can set this camera. Hopefully you're getting that. Anyway, I'm just going to cut these cables off. We're going to put some real ends on it. Yeah, look at that rotten nastiness. Can't beat a set of good climbs, right? Okay. Bring a knife and help I can strip this with clippers. There we go. Boy, look at that. Corrosion all the way up into there. Let's see here. One of these ends on there. And then we're just going to solder our own. Let that cool off for a second. Or more. Okay. Let's work on stripping the other one. Had a little shrink wrap to make it all pretty, but hey, it's a 50-plus-year-old tractor. I'm not too worried about pretty. It'll be functional. We could probably use a new set of cables. I could have stripped it back a little further, but anyway, like I said, it's a 50-year-old tractor. I'm just trying to give it some good connections. Yeah, it's connected now. Next time I'll make sure it's cooled off before I go touching it. Okay. And let's see. I'll get this one soldered on here. Probably not the prettiest, but it should be functional. That's what we're after. That is what we're after. Definitely gonna let that one cool down more than I did last time. Let me go get the battery. And the nuts. Okay. And let's see, negative and positive. Great, I think there's a wasp nest in here. Set the battery down there. Set that, get a good view again. And let's see what we can do here. Still a little hot. Yeah, I should have brought a socket wrench with me. Doesn't want to go on easy. Just get it tightened down. Yeah, I'm using all the right tools to do that. Hey, if it works, right? Okay. One side done. Whew. course, the one that's easier to reach is easier to screw on than having any other way. Now let's see if that gives us swirly swirls. Make sure it's out of gear. Well, that's good news. It's not like that. Okay. Turn some fuel onto it. I don't even know if it's got any gas in it. Does it have any gas in it? Is the question. Ooh, boy, that smells pretty ripe. Go ahead and open the fuel petcock on it. And check, does it have any fluid in it? No, I'm gonna have to have antifreeze. It's low on it. I could start it though. And I'll go get some antifreeze, put in it. Check the oil. Yeah, she's full. Okay. Well, float boat should have had time to fill up. Question is, will it start with this new electronic ignition? I got a better hope than before with those dried out points. Look at that. Can you believe that? 2 years. Set for 2 years. Look, it's chewing up a bird nest that was in there. That not crazy? Man, they made tractors back then good. Man, oh man. On old gas. You tell me. Well, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and add some antifreeze to it.